Many people don't know this, but 2 years ago, I saved Christmas. And here's my story. It was the night before Christmas, and all through the town, not a creature was stirring, not even Diggle, my hound. Everyone had dozed off, but my eyes were made open. And I wasn't sure why, but I just couldn't cope when, to much my dismay, I heard a shout, and I ran to my window to see what was about.
Dora, it's right behind you! You are the one with the map! Don't ask me! Can you even try to be a little self-sufficient? I mean, God, what was that?
It was quite the surprise what I had found. Santa had fallen and laid on the ground.
Oh my God, it's Santa!
I dashed out the door, but it was too late.
Santa! Santa!
Santa was no more, as though it were fate.
Ooh, he dead. He's so dead.
I knew from the Santa Claus movie, if I put on the suit, it was my job to deliver the loot. I put on his hat and ran to the car. Then I gassed up because I had to drive near and far. Through Ventana Ranch West, Cherry Hills, and Tanawin. I drove on Wyoming, Paseo, and a small stretch named Dearborn.
Nick, Tanawin and Dearborn don't rhyme?
Shut up, Ryan! I ran into some problems, primarily getting into homes. Now please allow me to describe through this poem. Number 1, the fireplaces were gas, of which were way too small to fit my ass.
Nope, not happening.
I checked their windows, and lo and behold, I found my way into their household. Perfect. Oh. Once I was inside, I had a whole other dilemma, but now I had to deliver gifts to a girl named Emma. I must have delivered thousands of gifts. I must say I was moving rather swift. Lee? That was until I came upon one house where I had to deliver a blouse. The woman inside was a bit freaking crazy. Oh, I can't remember. It was all a bit hazy. Oh wait, now I remember. Yep, this bitch was toads cray-cray. She saw me as I was just exiting the doorway. She shouted,
Santa! Santa! I knew you was real!
"Yes, it is I, Santa. Banana peel."
People told me you was a fake. Man, what a heartbreak!
Well, I'm real alright. Okay, bye now. Good night.
Wait! Hold everything! Can we stop talking in rhymes here in this scene?
Okay. Thank God.
Not so fast, bitch. You never got me the gift I always wanted.
Here, lady, I gotta go.
Hey! I always wanted that Red Ryder BB gun with a compass in the stock and the thing which tells time. But I never got one. Now, I gotta cut ya.
We'll just skip that. Okay, now back to rhyming. Well, in the end, I delivered everything.
Thanks, Santa.
Ain't nothing but chicken wing. All the kids in Albuquerque were thankful, and all was peaceful. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Wait, are we just gonna gloss over the fact that Santa is dead and the rest of the world didn't get any presents?
Yes, we are. The end.